What's up everyone, DJ Tay here. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool basic yellow slime, and I'm going to show you how to make a few other slimes, and then that's going to be all for today's video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, please put a like up, subscribe if you have not. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, to make this slime, all you will need is some Elmer's glue. You need a bowl, contact solution, baking soda, and some food coloring or some yellow paint. Okay, so the first thing you'll do is add in your glue. I make slime all the time, by the way, also. Next thing you'll need is some food coloring or paint, it doesn't matter. Just stir this up until everything mixes in correctly and you get all the color in. Okay, I got all the color in. Now it's time for the baking soda. This is going to be the activator. Baking soda and contact solution is the activator. Hold on, I may need a little. If you think it's a little too little, you should add some more and it come together. Stir this in thoroughly until everything mixes in. Okay, next is contact solution, so you add that in. Then mix this up until it comes together. If you think it's too sticky, just add more contact solution or baking soda, and it should come unsticky. Okay, here it is. Now, you have to knead it a little bit, but once you get it to this texture, here's your basic old yellow slime. I know this is sticking on my hand, so what I'm going to do is add some contact solution. Rub that on right there. And it should do the trick. The next slime is this really cool blue slime. So, let's start. First thing you will always need, which is you already know, is some glue. Sorry I'm taking so long on this video. Dang, I'm already almost out of glue. I just bought this a week ago. Wait, 2 days ago. Next thing you'll need is some food coloring or blue or paint. It doesn't matter. Just go do that. Then I'm going to stir this up until it mixes in. I love this color, but I want it a little darker. So if you want it darker, add more food coloring or paint. This is optional, but you don't have to actually add color. But I'm adding color because I'm creative. I love stuff creating. Okay, the next thing you'll need is some baking soda, like we did in the first time. Then add some contact solution. This is a good method. It's because you don't need borax and stuff. Because I've seen articles about borax. I never used it. And I'm glad, because borax will burn the heck out of you. Trust me. I've seen it happen to someone when they use borax and slime. But be careful not to touch the powder and stuff. I never used it and never will. I just used the baking soda and contact lens solution method. I have been making slime for, let's say, 2 years now, and I still make it. Well, here's your slime. I have to admit, this is pretty. I love blue. Blue is everything to me. It's awesome, crazy, and pretty. The next slime will be a fluffy slime. So all you need is a water bottle. If you don't have any shaving cream, all you do is add some toothpaste and some water. Shake it up until it gets foamy, and then there's your shaving cream for slime if you don't have any more shaving cream. I ran out of shaving cream, that's why I'm using this method. First thing we're going to always do is this. And this is a different method. You'll still need baking soda and contact lens solution. Next thing you'll need is some water. I'll be right back, y'all. I gotta go get some water. Okay. I'm adding in some water. Only reason just to make it a little softer, because this is the weirdest method. You can also do this method with a peel-off face mask. Okay, since I don't know where the other food coloring is, where did my other food coloring go? You know, I'll just use blue again, because I'm out of color. This is going to be a fluffy slime. That's why I have this foam out. Okay, the next thing you're going to, next thing you will need is some shaving.
Why you start doing that and we finna go?
Mom, it's not time for us to go yet.
Well, you don't wait till the time for you to go. You have to go early.
I know. Next thing you'll do is just stir that up till it gets all the way mixed in. This is going to probably turn purple. I know it is. Because of that blue I add in, it looks so weird. Okay, next thing you're going to do is baking soda. Mix that in thoroughly. Then next is contact solution. What? It's not time to go yet. Oh, you're trying to put the toilet paper back there. Ugh, this stinks. Mom, let me see that toilet paper. I'll put it up.
That ain't why I'm standing here. I can get back if I want to get back. I'm going to knock all that in the floor if I want to get back bad enough now.
So, all you're going to... Here's my slime. So... I hope you enjoyed this slime video. If you do, please put a like up. Subscribe if you have not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, guys.